Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about how to drop or delete a database. Uh, First, with the help of GUI we can easily create and drop database. We know that if I click on okay, I'll show you. We know that you have seen my previous tutorial. Just right click on database and create database. Okay, that's it. And for dropping database, right click on database and delete or drop database. Oh, but what if you want to create a database with the help of SQL queries or from sample database? Okay, for this we need to create first create two databases. Okay, create one database. Okay, let's create it with the help of query editor. Okay, create database. Just create database. uh, let's create ABC database with owner with owner with owner. First, ABC's owner is Postgres, and this Postgres database, and we know that this is the default database. This default database has a super user privileges, means this database can do anything with our databases. He can delete, drop everything from our databases. He can do anything because he has a super user privileges. Okay, let's create another database. Create database pqr with owner. Let's check out which owner we have. Okay, let's give them test1. Owner name is test1, suppose test1. And I know that test1 has no super user privileges. Okay, with the help of this query the database will be created. Okay, cannot create inside transaction log. Okay, let's create one by one. Proceed. Okay, okay, query return. If I refresh, then ABC, then the database ABC will be created. ABC is created. Okay, let's create another with the test1. Okay, now we know that we can drop the database, but our but ABC database has the super user privileges, so he can delete any database if you open the query tool from the ABC database. Okay, this farmer database also didn't also unable to delete the ABC or PQR databases from this query tool. Yes, okay, if I refresh here, just don't save, the PQR will be created. Okay, let's these two databases are connected, so if you fire any query on these databases, the PQR is not still connected. If you fire any query, the query was not gone over because these databases are connected to production environment. If I click on disconnect database, the database will be disconnected. Okay, from now, but we need to perform a drop query from this ABC database, so we just need to connect it again and open query tool for this database and fire a query for dropping this PQR database. Okay, but we just need to write the command drop database and database name. You can the query, like drop database in bracket if exists. This is a good idea to use like this, because when the data, when we didn't have a database, then it use error. If we write this, then it use just a notice. Okay, now we just, I am just using a simple drop database keyword and followed by the database name abc. After hitting we need to delete the pqr database pqr, and after hitting run, then it will delete the pqr databases. Okay, query returned successfully. If I refresh this, then pqr database will be deleted. Okay, here we just need to create this pqr database again with test1, and try to delete this abc database from this pqr database, where this test1 user has no super user privileges. Okay, open this pqr. And one more thing, I'll show you. Okay, if I trying to delete this pqr database, when it is connected, it gives a error like this. Database pqr is being accessed by the other user. Okay, that's it.